Are you tired of drinking the same old boring teas? Want to spice things up with a refreshing, flavorful beverage that also packs a punch of health benefits? Well, look no further than lemongrass oil tea. This zesty concoction is not only delicious but also boasts an array of medicinal properties that will have you feeling revitalized from the inside out. Main points. 1. What is lemongrass oil tea? 1. Lemongrass oil tea is a fragrant and invigorating beverage made by steeping lemongrass oil, derived from the lemongrass plant, in hot water. 1. This tea has been used for centuries in various traditional medicine systems for its potent therapeutic effects. 2. Health benefits of lemongrass oil tea. 1. Rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. 2. May aid digestion and relieve bloating, thanks to its carminative properties. 3. Potential to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. 4. Antibacterial and antifungal properties that can boost immunity. 5. Renowned for its calming and stress-relieving effects. 1. Ingredients needed. 1. Fresh lemongrass or lemongrass oil, 1–2 drops per cup. 2. Honey or other natural sweetener, optional. 3. Fresh lemon or lime slices, for added flavor and vitamin C. 4. Hot water. 1. Step-by-step recipe. 1. Boil water in a kettle or pot. 2. Add 1–2 drops of lemongrass oil to your favorite mug or teapot. 3. Pour the hot water over the lemongrass oil. 4. Allow the tea to steep for 5–7 minutes. 5. Add honey or a natural sweetener if desired. 6. Garnish with fresh lemon or lime slices. 7. Stir gently and enjoy your lemongrass oil tea. 1. Tips and variations. 1. Adjust the amount of lemongrass oil to suit your taste preferences. 2. Experiment with different herbs or spices like ginger, mint, or cinnamon. 3. For an iced variation, let the tea cool and pour over ice cubes. 4. Store any leftover lemongrass oil tea in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It's that simple. You can drink this tea any time of day, but it's especially nice in the evening as it can help you unwind and relax before bed. One important thing to remember is to use only pure, high-quality lemongrass essential oil that is safe for internal consumption. Don't use fragrance oils or other synthetic oils, as these can be harmful. I hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing lemongrass oil tea recipe. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to Natural Home Remedy for more natural health and wellness tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.